Elly. Today I'm going to read you a story. The Terror Birds. Are you ready? Yeah! The Terror Birds. Jack and Sam were going camping. I need a rest. You've bought loads of stuff. What's the whistle for? In case we need to call for help. Or we could use my phone. You're crazy. You never know. Let's eat. As Jack and Sam ate, some seagulls flew over. Go away! They're not going, Sam. It's got my chips. Sam blew the whistle, but no sound came out. It's broken. But look, the gulls are going away. What happened? It's not broken. It's my dog's whistle. It makes a really high sound that only animals and birds can hear. Cool. But did you bring an umbrella too? Look at that cloud. Jack and Sam went into a cave to shelter. Look, it's an old spoon. It looks like gold. Wow, what's happening? Suddenly, Jack and Sam were swept away. Where are we? Splash! Look at this ship over there. It's really old. It's like we're back in ancient Greece. Boys, there are boys in the sea. Two men on the beach hear the shouts. Where did you come from? It's hard to explain. Who are you? My name's Jason. I'm on a quest with a brave group of heroes called the Argonauts. We're sailing to find a magical ship's fleece. It's made of gold. Only when I find the fleece and can I take my kingdom back. But now my ship's stuck there. Why? If we sail through those crashing rocks, we'll be crushed. King Phineas knows what to get through, but he won't tell me. King Phineas who? King Phineas, the old blind man over there. Jason explained that a god was punishing King Phineas every day. Food appeared on the table, but the harpies attacked before he could eat it. What are harpies? They're terrifying birds with humans' heads and sharp claws. I wish I could help the king, but the gods have said that anyone who kills a harpy will have bad luck. Maybe we can help. What can you? The boys went to talk to the king. Every day the harpies take my food. I wish we could help. I have an idea. I'll shoot the air at the harpies and scare them away without killing them. But that will only make the king while you're here. When you go, the harpies will attack again. All right, it's hopeless. What's happening? Look at all this food. And look over there. The harpies are here. The harpies attacked. They're attacking the king. We've got to do something. Take that, bird brains. Go away, you big chickens. Jack, watch out. Sam watched in honor until suddenly he remembered. The whistle! Ah! Screech! The harpy holding Jack dropped him. Keep blowing, Sam. The harpies flew away. Thanks, Sam. The harpies has gone. How did you do it, boys? With this, it's just an object of great magic to chase the harpies away. What do you call it? That doggy whistle. You must be true heroes to carry such a powerful weapon. You can keep this, King Phineas. Blow it when the harpies come, and they'll fly away. Thank you. I would like to do something for you in return. Please, could you tell Jason how to sail his ship through the rocks? Very well, but first you'll need a dove. The king gave Jason a dove. Then Jason and his crew got their ship ready to sail. What shall I do now, King Phineas? First let the dove fly between the rocks. Jason set the dove free. As it flew by between the rocks, they started to close. But the dove flew so fast, it only lost one feather. The rocks started to move apart again. Now go! The rocks will stay open for a few moments. Sail through and you'll be safe. Continue on your quest, Jason. Thank you, King Phineas, and thank you, boys. I couldn't have continued without your help and bravery. I'll now try to find the golden fleece. Suddenly, the spoon glowed. I think we're about to go home. The boys were whisked away. What an adventure! We hope, Jason and King Phineas. There's just one problem left. What's that? How could I explain to Mom where her dog whistle was gone? Of course. Oh, helping Jason. Wanted. 2 heroes to help Jason and his quest to find the golden fleece. They will need to find a way to fight terror birds called the harpies. Give King Phineas something special to keep him safe. Find a way to make King Phineas tell Jason how to sail through the rocks. Only the bravest should apply. Ooh, look at. Maybe he wrote this. I can write some letters too. Get this pen open. Okay. Did you read it all? If you still don't read it all, then talk to me. If you read all? Still? Okay. Did you read it all now? If you read it all, now, how about you wrote it on your own and put it in a bottle, and if you find it on the sea, how about you throw it and somebody will see it and open it and see the page? That would be awesome. Done.